Alright, show me your trains.
This one's Hammy, and this one's Golden, and this one's Hero, and this one's Spencer, and this one's Thomas, and this one's this one's Quail, and this one's Annie, and this one's Duncan, and this one's Terrence, and this one's Rocky, and this one's Steven, and this one's the Buttercup, and this one's the giant one, and this one's Harold, and this one's a cargo car, and this one's the new car, and this one's Kevin, and this one's James, and this one's Xander, and this one's Toby, and this one's Toad, and this one, do you know this one?
Is that Bash or Dash?
Dash.
Bash?
And this is...
Yeah, I think it's Bash.
And this one's a little...
It's Dash.
And this one's a little Yoshi. And this one's a little Finn.
Which one's Rosie?
This one.
Okay, keep going.
This is the little one. This is the little...
What else are there? That's Rosie and Thomas.
We have to stick these together.
Which ones are they? Keep pointing them. Keep pointing them out.
Sorry, and this one's Diesel, and this one's Percy, and this one's Doko, and this one's Henry, and this one's Hale, a little Hale, and this one's little Toby.
Almost done. Keep going.
This one's little Friend still. This one's Alpha. This one's Molly. I'll stick this one right here in case.
Okay, who else is there?
This one's Diesel. He's the Jack engine.
Alright, who else is there? Keep going. Point them out with your pointer.
Cody. He has his two faces. The other side is the
Who else is there?
James. Little Salty.
And then what else do you have up top?
What did you say?
What else do you have up here? What are all those ones?
This one's cat. This one's engine cats, and this one's the White House.
Who is that that's holding the engine parts?
Quincy's just coding around.
That's your water tower?
This is a water tower.
What's your water tower do? Oh, look, the water goes up and down.
Yes.
Cool.
It fills up the funnel.
What's your lighthouse do?
It just turns up all the lights so the people can walk around. They can go inside.
What's Cranky do?
Quincy rollers and they also can spin it round and round, 2 sides.
And you can lower it down too, right?
Yes.
Onto the cargo cars?
It can go inside the cargo car.
Yeah. What other trains do you have back there? Xander, what other trains do you have?
This one's Victor. He can move to stay himself. He says, hello, I'm Victor.
You got, who else is there?
Diesel is Duncan.
Oh, who else do you got? Diesel, who's next?
This big Diesel.
Who's next to Diesel?
Freddy.
Freddy? Who's next to Freddy?
Percy.
Percy, and who's next to Percy?
Harvey.
And who's next to Harvey?
Thomas.
Thomas. And then you have a Thomas case too. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
Well done.
And how many more trains do you have? Like triple this. We just have to go get the rest of them. All right, Xander.
This one's the gas station.
Oh, the gas station too.
And
All right, and that's it for Xander for this episode of Xander's Trains. Make sure to check out his other episodes where he'll do some playing with the trains as well as making some cool tracks and doing some cool reviews. Can you say bye?